Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson We Care. Shall we start, Vrithi?
Yes, Amma.
Okay. Fill in the blanks. We will feel dashy if we help people in our community.
We will feel happy.
Manav's group went to the dash dash.
Blind school.
Yeah. Dash wrote letters for some of the old ladies at the old age home.
Neeti.
Children who can't use their arms, legs, and bodies like others are children with
Disabilities.
disabilities. The students learn to be dash dash and caring towards others because of community work.
Helpful and cooperative.
Fuel. TIVE. Next, choose the correct answer. People who can't walk, see, or hear like us have disabilities, extraordinary needs, ordinary needs, none of these.
Disabilities.
Disabilities. It is in giving that we receive true happiness, sadness, both, none of this. Happiness. Visually challenged children can't hear, see, touch, talk.
C.
See. Braille is a system of reading and writing that uses circles, raised dots, squares, lines.
Raised dots.
Raised dots. Orphans are children who do not have sisters, brothers, parents, none of this.
Parents.
Parents. Next, match the rows. Braille.
Braille.
Special script that uses raised dots. Braille is a special script that uses raised dots. Visually impaired.
Those who cannot see.
Yes. Orphans.
Children without parents.
Yes. Peoples with disabilities.
Those who cannot use their arms, legs, or other body parts.
Yes. Community service. Helping people.
Helping people in local community. Volunteer.
Voluntarily. Next. Write true or false. If the people around us are happy, we feel happy.
True.
We feel angry if we help other people.
False.
Children at the blind school are good at different things, not just studies.
True.
Community work teaches us to be helpful, cooperative, and caring towards others.
True.
Vikram's group went to visit the old age home.
False.
Next. Answer these questions. Why is community service important?
Helping people in the local community without being paid is community service. This community service is important as the students learn to be helpful, cooperative, and caring towards the members of the society.
What is Braille?
Braille is a system of reading and writing for people who cannot see.
The system uses
The system uses raised dots for letters of the alphabet and numbers on paper.
Yeah. How can we be of help to the old people?
Children prepare entertainment programs to cheer up elderly peoples to read out stories and listen to interesting things the elders want to share with them. Hence, the elderly people in old age homes look forward to visit of children.
Where did Ria's group go? What did they do here? What did they do there? So Ria's group went to Institute for Children with Disabilities. What did they do there? They collected funds from their parents and neighbors to buy 2 wheelchairs and new pair of crutches for 3 of the children at the institution. The children of this group have made thank you cards for the people who have donated towards this cause. What does community service teach? Community service
Teachers
taught us that the students
learn to be helpful, cooperative, and caring towards the member of the society.
understood. This is about the lesson we care. Tomorrow we will see.
Fourth lesson, we need to have fun.
Yeah, 4th lesson we need to have fun. Thank you.